guys, happy new month and welcome back to YOLO Treats. So today I'll be showing you how to make a Black Forest cake with minimal ingredients. Now after watching this video, I am pretty sure that you will stop buying cake from the bakery or a cake shop. Now that aside, I get the music I use in my videos from this YouTube channel called Kaxi on the Beat. Go check it out. He has the best instrumentals and he is one of the best music producers, no cap. Now with that said, let's get to our video of the day. So I have included all the ingredients I used down in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. So with those ingredients, this is how you will make the Black Forest cake at home. First, get your bowl and add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then add a tablespoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of bicarbonate soda, and lastly add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. After adding all your dry ingredients to the bowl, all you have to do is mix it up until you're content. And then get a separate dish, and in this dish you will have to mix the wet ingredients just like this. Add 1 stick of melted butter to the dish and then add sugar. After that, add some vegetable oil and melted chocolate. After that, just mix up the combination. Now all the portions are included down in the description box below. So now you will add 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence to your mixture. Okay, after doing that, you will also have to add 2 eggs to the mixture. Now people usually put 2 large eggs, but I think normal eggs will do as well. So after adding the eggs, just mix up your combination and also add a cup of warm coffee. Now trust me, you will not taste this coffee, it's just for coloring. So after doing that, just get your hand mixer and then mix up the combination. If you do not have a hand mixer, you do not have to worry about that. You can also use a whisk. The reason I'm not using a whisk is because using a whisk takes more time. That is why I have opted to use this hand mixer. Now when you've mixed everything up, add the dry ingredients you made in the first bowl to your mixture, just like this. So you can use a spatula to make sure the ingredients, the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients are mixed up. And also you can once again use a hand mixer to make sure that the combination turns into a smooth paste. So as you mix up the 2 combinations, add some milk to it. Then also add some cream milk to the mixture. Now this is very optional. You do not have to add the cream milk if you do not have it. Just add a cup of warm water and that will do. And then add some more coffee to the mixture just to give it the brown coloring. Trust me, if you do not like coffee, you will not taste it in this combination. Then keep on mixing it until it becomes a paste, a very smooth paste, just like this. So when this paste is ready, just put it in a baking pan, just like this. Also, always make sure that your oven is preheated before you put in the cake pan. Now, when you put in the cake pan, bake your cake at 250 degrees Celsius for 1 hour and 30 minutes. So while the cake bakes, let me show you how to make whipping cream for the filling and the decorating part. So first you'll have to add your frozen whipped cream to a bowl, and then get your hand mixer or a whisk, and once again mix it until it gets creamy. Now I would advise you to use a hand mixer for this process because it works better. While you're whipping the cream, you will have to add 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence to the mixture. Add some sugar to the combination as well. Now the vanilla essence is just to give your whipped cream that vanilla feel and taste. So after adding those 2 ingredients, all you have to do is just mix up the cream until it gets foamy. Now when it gets foamy, you are ready to use it. So this is how you will use it to decorate your Black Forest cake. Let's go. there you have it, your Black Forest cake. It's all done. Do you like it? Because I do. Now feel free to share your thoughts down in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about the cake. And I'd also like to thank my friend Linda, because we actually made this cake together. She was helping me on the side. So with that said, please remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and if you have already done so, I want to say thank you for the support. So that is all I had for you today. Until next time, bye.